Yes.
May my Lord be pleased. I am F.A. Adeniyi.
Yes.
I appear with my learned friend M.O. Hassan Esquire.
Yes.
For the claimants, my Lord.
Thank you.
Thank
Any
you very much.
representation for the defense? Yes. No legal representation for the defendants. Claimant
No,
counsel, what's the position?
My Lord, the matter is slated for, it's coming before you for the first time for mention.
Is it not supposed to be for report of settlements? What is the position with the settlement?
My Lord, the settlement was actually canvassed and the intention conveyed to this rebel court, but the defendants have not been able to file the position agreed before the court.
Yes.
So the claimant has resolved that in the absence of their so doing, we shall proceed with the matter.
Okay, so
even after judgment, if the term.
Okay,
if
what I'm recording is that settlement has broken down.
My Lord, as the court pleases, however, since they are not before my Lord to state clearly their position, because we feel on our part that they ought to have filed the terms of settlement.
So I should state, but the terms of settlement is yet to be filed.
It's yet to be filed. We shall therefore be asking for a date for either report of settlement or hearing of the matter, my Lord.
Very well, thank you.
Thank you very much, my Lord.
The 16th of January for reports of settlement or hearing.
As the court pleases. We appreciate the court, my Lord.
Court case is adjourned to the 16th of January 2025 for report of settlement or hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the defendant.
Court, please.
Yes.
Number 4, NICN LKJ 06-2023 between Sadiq Tuge Zubair and 10 others, and Ajakuta Steel Company Limited and 2 others. My Lord, parties are absent.
Yes.
My Lord,
absent. Yes, appearances.
My Lord,
yes.
With profound respect, Idowu Adejumo, I appear for all the claimants.
Yes. Representation for defense. No legal representation for the defendant.
No,
yes, Mr. Adejuma, what is the position?
My Lord, the position is that the matter is to be denoted.
Have you commenced at all?
Yes, we commenced.
You had commenced?
We had a witness in court as at the last time it was heard. So we
you're praying for a date for hearing, yes?
Yes, my Lord.
The 5th of February, 2025 for hearing.
It's convenient, my Lord.
Thank you. Court case is adjourned to the 5th of February 2025 for hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the defendant.
I record, please.
Yes.
Question number 5. NICM LKJ between Mr. Oladide Friday
Yes.
the court, my lord.
Who is in court?
The court, my lord.
I didn't hear that.
Claimant, my lord.
Okay, claimant present.
Yes, my lord.
Defendant absent. Appearances, please.
May it please this honorable court.
Yes.
MD.
Listen, it's not sure.
What's the name?
MD.
M.A.
MJ.
M.J.
Akpala.
What's your last?
AKPA.
Okay, AKPAALA.
Yes, my
Yes.
lord. The defense counsel is not here.
I can see
I
the
don't
name
think it's-
Jide is the why there's a confusion because there is Jide Ibitomi that has I can see on your data, so that's why. Okay,
Yeah,
so you are for the claimant.
Yes, and he's present. He's in court.
Yes, I can see that. I've already noted that. The defendant
you.
is not represented.
No.
Okay.
So the matter is coming before you, my lord, for de novo.
Okay.
The parties had completed their pleadings.
Yes.
I would be graciously asking for a date for hearing.
Nineteenth of February, please.
February.
Is it
That's
convenient?
Wednesday.
It's a
Yes,
Wednesday.
yeah, it's a Wednesday. It's convenient.
Court case is adjourned to the 19th of February 2025 for hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the defendant.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
That's number 6. SCN LKJ 01-2024 between Maha Bame and Polaris Bank Limited. Parties absent, my lord.
Yes. Parties absent, appearances, please. Appearances. Oh, you're in the matter?
Check your
Yeah,
audio.
for this Maha Bamehi versus Polaris Bank.
Audio.
No, what's your name, sir?
JD, which is JD initial.
Yes, Ugbeche.
Which is spelled UEP.
Yes. CHRE.
Yeah.
Okay, for the defendant. No legal representation for the claimant.
There is, my lord.
He is around. So what's your name? The claimant counsel?
It's for de novo.
A.O. Onoja.
Yes, my lord. With Idowu Adejumo.
With Idowu Adejumo. For the claimant, yes? Has it commenced before now, or is just for mention today?
For the matter, in fact, the matter has
For the claimants, yes, my lord. The matter was adjourned for hearing before now.
Yes.
They acquired the access of services of payments.
Yes.
Spent.
Yes.
And
yes.
But then brother notice for you that you dismissed case.
Okay.
Held for the vendor. That was 20. That was the 5.
Yes.
But now the 2019. That's 20 years. So 2019.
Yes.
Then sometime in 2023, the claimant brought an application for the honorable to either vary the judgments or housing set aside.
Yes.
The claimant, the defendant challenged said application and it was fully dismissed.
Yes.
Our solution was that the claimant to appeal and put the judgment appeal.
Yes.
But that did not happen. Instead, he filed another suit, which is what's pending before you.
Okay. Yes.
They have filed a motion for dismissal. And that was the situation we're expecting the date for hearing.
So the pending motion is for dismissal motion. Okay.
Yes,
That's was filed on the 13th of March 2024.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll record you that we have a pending motion for okay.
That was the situation where and we're told that when the matter is signed, it was a date. But we're still expecting a date when the claimant filed another suit sometime in June.
Not before this court. Oh, so where is the other suit? Is it this present one now?
I suppose so, because I was told that all the matters pending before your Adeniyi brother would be transferred.
No, what I mean is it's a different suit number. Okay, so let's just deal with the one that we have presently.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So my own understanding that by the time of no reports, can move our motion to regularize.
What date is your motion? I hope Mr. Adejumo, are you with us? Because the defense counsel is presently before the court in Abuja. Can you hear his submissions? Is it there?
I'm not hearing.
Okay, he's saying maybe you have to unmute yourself so that he can hear you what's said, so I can be the interpreter in this regard. So he said
well,
that there are two pending motions before the court, one for dismissal and one for to regularize.
Yes, the one
for the regularization.
The one for extension of time has been granted on the 23rd of April 2024. It was not in court, and the court didn't it granted because I did not.
Let me see. I have to put it on my own record so that it won't bring about What date did you say that one was filed?
No, it was granted.
17th of February,
No,
2024.
23rd of April, 23rd of April.
Okay, so the claimant counsel is saying that it has been deemed properly filed by the former judge. Okay, so what date was it? Can you give us the date
Okay,
it
it was
given?
filed on the 13th. It was filed on the 3rd of March and granted on the 24th. Filed on the 3rd of March.
13th of March, you mean?
March, 3rd.
I have it as 13th because is it not an order for extension of time? No, that's not it. That's not it, actually. To regularize your statement of defense, it was filed on the 13th of March, 2024, dated 17th February, is it not?
Okay. Yes, my lord.
What date was it granted?
On 23rd of April, 2024.
So he said this has been granted on 23rd of April, 2024. So the only one that we have pending is that of the dismissal. And I saw it just now. Yes, that one is dated, was filed on the 13th of March, 2024 too. So, Mr. Onoja, you have the motion for dismissal that was filed on the 13th of March, 2024. Mr. Onoja, please unmute yourself if you are muted because I can't see you and I can't hear you. Mr. Onoja.
I've responded to that application, my lord.
Okay, I'm just hearing you. Probably you muted yourself earlier, so I'm just getting to hear you. Your response was dated the 23rd of April, 2024. We have filed a counter affidavit. Do you have that? Affidavit on on 23rd of April, 2024. So what do you intend for us to do now, parties, Learned Council?
My lord, I've before the matter get the novel, I applied that both the application and the main matter be taken together. So
He's making a submission. So he said before that he had made an application that both the main matter and the notice of preliminary objection, is it an originating summons? Is this an originating summons?
Yes.
A writ or originating summons? So we cannot take both together. It is only when it is originating summons that we can take both the applications.
Yes,
which applications are you?
complaints.
We can take complaint and notice of preliminary objection together. It is when it is originating summons that we can take it together. He is saying that he had made an application to take the complaint and the motion for dismissal together.
I think it's normal thing to take, because you know our motion goes to the.
Yes, it is, Mr. Onoja. It is when you file an originating summons that we can take originating summons and the notice of preliminary objection together. But you have filed a complaint, so we have to take the motion for dismissal first because it goes to the root of the matter. So I'll give you a date. It seems as if his network goes on and off. Yes.
In view of the fact that the parties, subject matter, exhibits, and almost everything about even the other sections.
Do you have the suit number of the other one? What suit number is it?
Number is the NICN LKJ
Yes.
16 to 2024.
Okay, so I'll record you. There is another matter which facts are similar to the present suit. Yes.
And I say what is pending before this honorable.
And I will check. Same is pending. I'll check. I'll quickly make a check before I make a submission on that.
There might be a need for consolidation of research.
I'll first check whether it is before me before I consolidate. Did you say 16?
Yes, the NICN LKJ 16 to 2024. Same title. They are writing on the same set of parts. It says left of exit.
So Maha Bamayi versus Polaris Bank. Okay. So there is another matter which facts are similar to the present suit and same is pending before this court in suit number NICN /LKJ /16 2024. That is Maha Bamayi
Same title.
versus Polaris Bank. Yes.
I know I can feel that one.
We pray that both matters be consolidated.
Feel that not by parent, and I will also intend to bring up the appropriate application respect of the second matter.
Okay, so until then, so I hope you will have filed your motion before then. Okay. So in the meantime, I'll just adjourn. So if there's any application at that time, we'll take it together. Registry, I hope you are hearing everything so that you can communicate what we stated to the Mr. What's his name again? Onoja.
Lord, I'm entitled to respond to what he has said. What he said is not correct. That's not the correct position of the case before.
We didn't hear you earlier before now. So I've cited your data now. So I will know when you are muted and I will tell you when you are muted. So you heard all his submissions. See, you are muted again. We can't hear you again.
Lord, the service is going on, is fluctuating.
Okay, so you said
I am saying that what he said is not the correct.
It's a different matter.
It's a different relief and different.
Yeah, you are entitled. He said he intends to file an application, so you are entitled to respond to it if it is different. It is for the courts to know whether to consolidate both matters together based on the facts.
It's on record, and I'm the one who filed the case. I'm the one to state the fact to the court. It's on record that I say the matter too.
When he files his application, don't start using your gunpowder now. Dry it properly. So when he files his application, then you are entitled to respond. Then we will know what to do at that stage. But for now, yes, that is just what I told him. I said, since he has not filed any application, I will stick to this one. When I find out that there's another application, then I will know whether to consolidate both together. It is the court can suo motu consolidate matters together based on the facts. But for now, we're just making an adjournment on this matter.
Most grateful, my lord.
So I will adjourn to the second because I noticed that I've fixed that other matter for the 2nd of December so that we can take both together if there's need to be. Is the 2nd of December convenient? Mr. Onoja?
Very much, my lord.
Thank you.
Very much, my lord. Freedom for me is continent. Thank you.
At where? What time does Kuje High Court sit? What time do they
It's
sit there? I normally, okay. Let's see what time I put this. I normally, because there are cases for mention and I'm still trying to stabilize my diary. So after this whole session of mention and starting de novo, I'm giving different dates for different cases. But as it is, if I don't accommodate you as the Abuja diary now, I might not call you up. That's why I'm taking the advantage of having Lokoja in the afternoon, Abuja in the morning. Okay, so after now, Lokoja cases and Abuja will not be merged together. Yeah, will not clash together. So if 12 o'clock of the 12th, let me see what dates. Yes, it's at 12 p.m. too. Okay, thank you. So cases adjourned to 02/12/2024 for hearing. So it will be at 12 noon, sir. So you can work on that so that you'll be able to attend this one. Mr. Anoja, are you with us? Case has been adjourned to the 2nd of December 2024 for hearing.
Escort, please.
Yes.
Yes, but NICN LKJ 26/2022 between Mr. Ajayi Adekunle.
Why 26? Registry, we have number 9. Why are you calling 26 before 9? Don't you have number 26, 2022 with you? Can you call that first, please?
NICN LKJ 09/2022 between Arua Adejo A and 156 others and other protection and 2 others. My Lord, claimant 67 is in court. Others at
57 claimants present, other parties absent. Appearances, please.
May my Lord be pleased.
Yes.
My name is Austin Oboni. Lord Oboni is spelled Obonei.
Yes.
Humbly appear for the claimant applicants.
There are so many applications. I'll leave you as the claimant. Yes. Representation for defense.
It appears they are not in court. It appears they are not in court today again, my Lord.
No legal representation for the defendants.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Lord, sir, on the last adjourned date, sir, the defendants' counsel wrote for an adjournment, sir.
Yes.
I suppose if he's diligent enough, sir, you'll be aware of today's date. And also, sir, hearing notice was sent through text message and the group WhatsApp chat, sir, which I know is aware of, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, in view of that, sir, I want to apply, sir, that the clause in the will of progress of this matter, sir, should be shifted down, sir, or taken down, sir. And that is the notice of preliminary objection he filed, which we have responded to. Moreover, we have an application.
Yes.
So we apply that the preliminary objection be struck out so that we'll proceed with the application. And if my lord is not inclined to, let's take our application, let the objection remain in the file, sir, as we proceed, sir. That's our humble application, my lord.
Yes, this defendant is the first, second, and fourth defendant.
Yes, my lord.
Then another application was filed by the fifth to eighth defendant too.
No, not in this matter, sir.
Oh, in which matter? I dreamt about it.
Yes, sir. This matter is 09/2022, sir.
Okay, I'll bring it out for you. If you said it's not in this matter, whether I produced it by myself. 553 at page 553. What's okay, like I said, there's an application that was filed on the 19th of April 2024 for another setting the purported vicarious service on the fifth to eighth defendants. Another directing that the service of the said originating processes be effected personally on the third and the fifth to eighth defendants. You don't have that process?
No, we don't have it, sir.
Okay, I get what you meant now. The process is for 36/2023 and was mistakenly filed in this
file.
In the file.
I'm grateful, sir. We have
Thank you. Because I saw it and I just noted it. If you did not mention it, the 36/2023, the parties are Barrister Momo M. Baba versus Federal University Lokoja. So it is not in this matter. Okay, thank you for the observation. So we pray that the MPO filed by the defendants, let me look for the MPO. Mr. Nta, when we finish, you come and remove all these processes of 36/2023 that was mistakenly filed in this.
No, sir, it's filed on the 18th July 2023, sir.
I'll look for it now. I've noted all the things. 23. Eighteenth of July 2023.
Yes, my lord.
That's the MPO.
Yes, my lord.
(2023).
Very well, my lord.
I thought I had already noted all the things. You know, it takes time looking for this thing. So I wanted, okay, I found it.
Grateful, my lord.
Another of extending the time within which the first to second defendant may file. Is that it? Is that your own?
No, sir. You can order striking out the substantive suit, sir.
Has this one for extension of time taken?
Very well, my lord. Taken and granted, sir.
When was it?
Was it?
So they filed two applications on that 18th of July. The one for extension of time and the one for striking out of the substantive suit.
Very well, my lord.
So why was the one for the striking out not taken when they took the one for extension of time?
I asked for time to respond to. I was served only in open court, sir, and the other one was in court by my calculation, sir.
Okay, when was your counter affidavit filed?
Filed 21 August 2023, sir.
Okay, I have that one too. So those are the pending applications now.
That is in response to the NPO, and I have
Which other application do you have?
That file 23 April 2024, sir. That is extant now.
23rd of April 2024.
Yes, my lord.
Just have to bear. 23rd of April 2024. Unfortunately, I don't have that process. Maybe they've inserted it in another process.
It's one seeking
Another
amendment.
file.
It's one seeking amendment, sir. I should believe my lord have it because.
What day did you call it?
18th day of April 2024.
Sorry, I don't have it. So the ones that we have, like I said, they might have mistakenly put it in another file. Now that we know that the processes of another case is in this file, so we will have to go back to the registry to look for your application. Was served on the defendant. We pray that the MPO filed by the defendant be struck out. It was filed on what dates are we saying now? 18th of July?
Yes, sir.
2023.
Yes, sir.
We had filed a counter affidavits
on the
21st of August 2023.
Yes, sir.
We equally filed a motion. What motion did you say you filed on what date?
An application for amendment on the 23rd day of April 2024.
Amendment of your complaint?
Yes, my lord.
On 23rd of April 2024.
Which we beg, my lord, subject to the court's convenience, we are ready to take same, sir.
But like I said, I don't have that, unfortunately.
I appreciate the Lord for that, sir. I do, sir.
I'm still trying to look, like I said. Let me take my time.
As God pleases.
Mr. Anta, this what's the name of this party? Because there's so many applications that are not supposed to be in this file. Aruwa Adejo. Let me see whether I will, by peradventure, find your application. See, his application is not here. Can you check the front page? Any application that was filed in 2024? All the applications that I'm looking at are 2020. And the only one that is 2024 is Barrister Momo Baba, which is not this file, this case. So, Mr. Oboni.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, with the courts, we will do the needful. I'll give you a short adjournment.
It's all right.
It's
all right.
My diary. Look for my diary. So just go and sort this there file. There's a cost list. Must have put it somewhere. Please look for it. Today's cost list. Tickets receipt. Okay. Guys, today's cost list. Can you come back on the 11th of December?
It's convenient, my lord.
Okay, so we'll be able to hear you properly. So I would note it that court is not in possession of the process.
Yes, my lord.
Case is adjourned to 11th of December 2024 for hearing. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the defendants.
Our application, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, my lord. I'm grateful, sir.
Yes.
Case number NICM LKJ 26/2022 between Mr. Ajayi Adekunle Olamilekan and Lapo Microfinance Bank Limited. My lord, claimant is in court.
Claimants present, defendants absent. Appearances, please. Counsel in the matter should unmute. Is Mr. Olu Joshua in court? You're on mute. Can you unmute yourself? Yes, you have done that. Yes, appearances.
Most humbly, my lord, I am
Yes.
Olu Joshua. I appear for the claimant.
Any representation for the defendants?
May my noble lord be pleased?
Yes. I didn't hear that name.
M.O.
Okay.
O.G.E.E.N.G.B.E.
Yeah, for the defendant.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is for hearing, and we are ready to go
Yes.
on now.
Mr. Ogodengbe, are you ready to proceed? Yes, let the witness proceed to the witness box.
Very well, my lord.
The other matter that is slated for hearing, are you ready to proceed to today? 30/2022. Do we have the counsel in 30/2022 in court?
Yes, my lord, he said the defendant is in court.
For 30/20, I want to adjourn your matter so that you won't stay online. That's why if you are not ready, let me stand this down and quickly adjourn.
Yes, the claimant counsel is in court.
Yes, my lord.
And
In that matter, we're not going on, my lord.
Okay, can you, witness, can you please step down for a moment? Let me quickly adjourn this so that they won't be online.
I'm most grateful, my lord.
The less people we have online, the less interruptions. So let me dismiss you and discharge. Yes, call the case, please.
NICM 30/2022 between Influence and Salem and another, my lord, absent.
Parties absent?
Yes, my lord.
Appearances, please.
May you please remember code?
Yes.
CM.
Yes.
Uche.
Can I have the spelling?
Uche is spelled UCHE.
Yes.
A small dash, my lord.
Yes.
Then EN.
Yes.
WERE.
WE.
Yes, my lord. Adeniyi.
Okay, thank you.
I'm most grateful, my lord. For the claimant.
Yes. Yes. OA. I'm losing. Sorry, you have to start all over again. Yes. Ade Council. I want to say the Ade Council. Is it a male or a female? Okay. Yes, for the defendant. Yes.
Yes,
Claimant
my lord.
counsel.
The matter is for hearing.
Yes.
Yes. However, my lord, we were just briefed last week as we are new counsels in the matter. And we forwarded, in line with the rules of professional conduct, a correspondence to the previous lawyer.
Okay.
Just last week.
Yes.
Asking for the file and ensuring that the claimant had furnished his legal expenses and fees.
Yes.
I only got feedback for him on call that he's in Abuja and he will bring the file this week.
Yes.
So we want to ask for a date, maybe an extended date for hearing, so that by then, if we have any process to file, we'll have filed before then, Lord.
Defense counsel, what is your reaction?
Yes, my lord, we have no objection to the application for the debt. We are not opposed to the application.
Thank you.
Most grateful, Lord.
19th of February, is it convenient?
Yes, my lord, it's very convenient.
Defense, is it convenient?
It's convenient.
Thank you.
Most grateful.
Court cases are adjourned to the 19th of February 2025 for hearing.
Stop, please.
So call the other case now.
Case number NI LKJ 2022 between Mr. Ajayi Adekunle Olamilekan and Lapo Microfinance Bank Limited. Parties absent, my lord.
Parties absent. How can you say parties absent? Is it not the one that we stood down just now?
As the court, please.
Absent.
So where's the bank for it? Is here? Yes, ma'am. Yes, let the witness proceed to the witness box, please.
My lord, humbly, while the witness is, we have a simple application to read.
What application is that?
Our ex before now, so what we draw them so we can read.
I can't hear you. Your
this
exhibit.
matter is starting being over.
Okay, the exhibits are before the court before now.
Yeah.
Yes, you can
already
apply.
Before the.
Yes, you.
We
Yes.
humbly
granted. Your application granted. Let the witness take his oath, please.
I, Ajayi Adekunle Olamilekan.
In the name of Almighty God.
Almighty God.
That the evidence I shall give in this case.
That the evidence I shall give in this case.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be
the whole truth.
The whole.
And nothing but the truth.
And not.
So help me God. My Lord, witness has
on Holy Bible.
My Lord.
Yes.
Most humbly, please tell the witness, tell the court your name, your address, and what you do. Tell the court your name, your address, and what you do.
My name is Adeniyi Olamilekan. I stay at Tango City, Lokoja. Presently, I'm being noticed.
Yes.
Yes, it is true you made a witness statement or note dated the 11th day of November 2022.
Yes, I adopt it.
Humbly, my Lord, apply to the statement made on the 11th day of November 2022. It is before the court as a statement in this suit.
Yes. Court witness statement on oath filed on the 11th of November 2022 is hereby adopted.
As the court please. We are most obliged. My Lord, we have a list of documents. We have a list of documents.
Yes, you have a list
attached
of. What page is your list of documents? Your something is not page.
notes, my Lord.
Yes, I've seen it.
Yes.
Have you shown it by the style of this court? You show all the documents to your, if they are in admissible form, you show it to your learned friend. If there is need for you to lay a foundation for any of the documents, you remove that one. Those ones that are in admissible form that you think he may not object, you give it to him. If there's need for you to lay a foundation for any other one, for it to be admissible, you do so before you give them to him, so that we just take everything together. But for you, you will make reference to the paragraphs in which the documents were stated, so that it won't be that you dumped it on the court. So all these documents, can you make a reference to where it was stated in the statement on oath, please?
Very well, Lord. It take me some time. Yes, my Lord, annexure.
Or you can just state, like you said, it may take you a lot, or since you were not aware of this procedure before now, so you just ask him that these are the documents that were listed in his list of documents. How will he recognize the documents or whatever you always do? And so we just
My
take
Lord,
them all.
the first document is in paragraph 3.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
The first document is in paragraph 3 of the statement on oath.
Okay,
The
with
second,
claimant counsel refers to paragraph 3, yes.
Then the second document is in paragraph 4.
Yes. Yes.
By the third document is in paragraph 5.
Yes.
The fourth document, copy of the picture is in paragraph 6.
Yes.
While the medical report is in paragraph 7.
Yes.
The police extract is in paragraph 6.
Yes.
It's referred to in paragraph 8.
Yes.
Police.
Yes, I've recorded that.
The printed copy of the defendant query is referred to in paragraph Paragraph 8.
Yes. A receipt of medical bills. Our acknowledged copy of demand letter. That's the paragraph 8.
Yes, my lord.
No, you said the printed copy of defendant query is paragraph 8. The acknowledged copy of demand letter, where is that?
Of the acknowledged copy of the demand letter is in paragraph 13.
Okay. Yes. Receipts of medical bills for treatment.
Is referred to
So what do you intend to do to this?
my lord.
Paragraph what?
Paragraph 15.
Okay. Yes.
Then the letter acknowledging copy of letter by A.O. Jonathan is in paragraph 16.
Yeah.
Is referred to in
Yes. So are they all in
Then
admissible states? Yes.
the sales agreement of parcel of land is referred to in paragraph 18.
18?
18, my lord.
Okay, thank you.
So that makes all the
Yes. Yes.
we humbly got this document as exhibit in support of the case of
Yes, defense.
my lord. The list of documents dated 10th day of November. List of documents.
Yes, I've seen it. Witness, you can sit down while we do this.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, defense, I'm still waiting. I didn't hear you.
My Lord, we have gone to the documents sought to be tendered in evidence.
Yes.
My Lord, we do not intend to oppose substantial numbers of those documents, but however, the ones we intend to oppose, we raise the objection in court
finally can address.
Which ones are the ones that you want to oppose?
My recommendation has not been laid.
For which one? For which ones?
Photographs. Photocopy of photograph. Several of them were pleaded. There's only one that several of them were pleaded, but there's only one that is contained in document.
So the ones that you are not opposing, can I have them and be marking them for now?
Very well, my lord. Yeah.
So hold on to the one that you said you are opposing. We will deal with that. Let me have the one that you are not opposing. So hold on. Let me have the. So hold on. Let me have the. So hold on. Let me have the. Registry, do you have the documents? So he said it is only the photograph, the copy of my pictures on the sick bed with the certificate of compliance. Is there a certificate of compliance with it?
There is none, my lord. Though they made reference to it in their list of witnesses, but it's not contained in the document they sought to tender, my lord.
Claimant counsel, do you have a certificate?
Lord,
I didn't hear you.
I'll just look through the.
Okay, so like I said, registry, do you have the exhibits with you?
Hello.
Yes.
Especially hospital. There's the document.
Certificate of compliance.
Registry.
Yes, madam.
Do you have the documents?
Yes, madam.
Okay, the appointment letter dated the 10th of March, 2016. I've told somebody to have a list so that as I'm calling it, you two, you'll be writing it. Appointment letter dated 10th of March, 2016 as Exhibit C1. Stanta, you're writing there for me. Appointment letter dated 10/3/2016, Exhibit C1.
Yes,
Letter of promotion and confirmation as Exhibit C2 and C2A.
One letter.
There's no, which one do you have? The promotion or the confirmation?
Letter of update.
Letter of upgrade. There's no letter of promotion. There's no letter of confirmation.
No, my lord.
Okay, so the letter of upgrade. What date is it?
21st September 17, my lord.
21st one?
September 17, my lord.
2017. So that will be exhibit C2.
Listed sorry, my lord, that letter of upgrade is not listed in the list of documents, my lord.
That is the letter of the promotion. That's promotion.
Okay.
I've changed it to letter of upgrade. They might have titled it letter of promotion, so I've written it as letter of upgrade. Exhibit C2. Yes. Receipt of purchase of accident motorcycle.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What date is the receipt of purchase?
31st 2020.
What date?
10, my lord.
I didn't hear you.
31st
31st.
May 20.
So anyway, exhibit C3, when I see it, I will date it. The copy, okay, the medical report. What date is the medical report? And doctor's recommendation? 1st of June 2019. That is exhibit C4. Extracts from the police.
Yes, my lord.
Exhibit C5.
Yes.
Defended query from the auditor. Exhibit C6. Acknowledged copy of demand letter. Exhibit C7.
Yes, ma'am.
Receipt of medical bills. Exhibit C8. Acknowledged copy of demand letter. Exhibit C7A.
Sorry, my lord.
C7A. Acknowledged copy of demand letter by A.O. Jonathan. C7A.
My lord, C7 is what?
That's why I said C7A. The next one is C7A. A, alphabet A. The sales agreements of my parcel of land, exhibit C8.
My lord, I
C9. C9. I'll run through it. Appointment letter, exhibit C1. Letter of upgrade, exhibit C2. Receipt of purchase of accidents motorcycle, exhibit C3. Medical reports and doctor's recommendation, exhibit C4. Copy of police extracts from area command, exhibit C5. Printed copy of defended query from auditor, exhibit C6. Acknowledged copy of demand letter, C7. That is letter of demand. That's letter of demand from KT Faneye, Esquire of Legal Aid. That is C7. The letter of demand from A.O. Jonathan is C7A. Then the receipt of medical bill is C8. And the sale agreement of parcel of land is C9. So the only one that we do not have now is the copy of my pictures on the sick bed. What is the basis of your objection?
My Lord. No. Hello? No.
Mr. Ogedegbe?
Very well, my lord.
Yes, sir. What's the ground of your objection for the copies of pictures? I apologize, I can't hear you.
A computer. Is premise for the fact I began this graph taken with a camera, which by context is a computer.
Do you have the certificate of compliance now? Okay, so ordinarily I do the objection straight away, but because it's on internet, it will take time to write ruling. So you can address the court on that.
Very well, my lord. In the final address.
Okay, so it will be taken in as Exhibit C10. Since you are, so that will be separate. Like I said, ordinarily I don't say, my style is you do your objection because it is double work. When we are writing the judgments, you have to first deal with the objection before you now enter. But because of the peculiarity of this sitting, it will take time for us to raise objection and to make a ruling so you can address the court on the issue. I shall be raising objection as to the admissibility of Exhibit C10, that is copies of my pictures on the sickbed in my final written address. Yes, claimant counsel, can you proceed?
My Lord, that's all for the.
I pray the court to grant my claims. Is that your prayer?
Okay, very well, my Lord. May it please the Lord that all the claims of the claimant be granted.
Yes, cross-examination, Mr. Ogedegbe. You have 40 minutes by the rules of this court. Please, you have to be audible. I don't know where you are so far away, we can't hear you. Time now is 1:25. Yes.
The document. E6. No, it's not part of the document.
I can't hear you.
That copy of the defendant query.
You have to make reference to the numbering, the lettering, the marking of the exhibits. That's the only way you can help the courts. So what exhibits are you referring to now?
So my record has exhibit C6. A printed query, a printed copy of the defendant query from Jericho.
Exhibit C6.
That's a mistake, my Lord.
That's exhibit C6.
Exhibit C7.
Acknowledged copy of letter of demand.
I don't know Is there? Yes. That's the one Fanaye spoke about, and there is a reference to Fanaye. Go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord, I have a few questions for cross-examination.
Go ahead.
Yes. Can you tell this all again, your full name? My full name is Adeniyi Olamide.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. My full name is Adekunle.
I've recorded that before. I don't know why I want to know the name again. Yes.
No.
I didn't hear the question. I've told you, Mr. Ogedigbe, you have to be clear and audible if you want me to record all those things.
My Lord, I asked him, I said, he wasn't disengaged from the services of this defendant. And he said, yes, he wasn't disengaged.
He has not been disengaged from the services of the
No,
defendant.
he was not disengaged.
Yes,
Please, I ask you, were you disengaged from the service of the defendant?
No, my Lord.
I was not disengaged from the services.
Now, in clear terms, you resigned from the service of the defendant.
Yes and no, my Lord.
I don't understand. How can it be yes and no? I have not disengaged. Did you say I have not disengaged from the services of the defendant?
Sorry, please.
As at what time?
When the accident happened.
Sorry, I didn't. You were said, as it stands now, the defendant disengaged you. You said no. I said you resigned. I'm not tying you to any particular time. You resigned from the defendant services. Two of us.
I intend to.
What is his answer?
I intend to resign.
Okay, I have not resigned. I intend to resign. I have not resigned. I intend to resign. Yes.
So you were saying that you are still in the services of the defendant. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, my Lord.
I am still in the services of the defendant.
Yes, my Lord.
So please,
Yes, my Lord.
which of the branches of the defendant are you working? Are you serving?
My Lord.
My Lord. With the situation on ground,
I am not in any.
I am not in
With my present situation,
Yes.
Yes, my Lord.
I am not in any of the branches of the defendants. Yes?
Now, do you recall that on the 28th day of August 2019, you send in your resignation letter to the defendant?
Yes, I did.
On what date?
On the 28th day of August 2019, the claimant tendered his resignation letter to the defendant.
I tendered my resignation letter. Yes.
With that resignation letter, do you still insist that you are still working with the defendant?
Perfectly, my lord. Reason behind this is when the letter was
What did you say?
okay. I said why the letter was why I resigned, and again I said it, when the letter was sent to the office, the letter was not accepted due to my condition.
Okay, I tendered my resignation letter, but the said letter was not accepted.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
You have a copy of.
That is why I said it was not. It was not. The letter was not given to me, whether accepting or rejecting.
Rejecting your designation.
That's why I said.
He said a letter was not given to me to either accept or reject same.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Now, why it is you claimed you had an accident and you were in a place where you were being treated. None of the staff of the defendant visited you where you claim you were being treated.
Yes, my lord. When this accident happened,
Did any of the defendant staff visited you?
This accident happened.
You were receiving treatment?
I said yes.
Yes, simple. I'm just asking a question.
So your answer is some of the staff visited you while in the hospital?
One staff.
One member of staff.
Mr. Friday.
Mr. Friday.
One staff.
I say one staff, my lord.
And he said Mr. Friday.
Yes, my lord.
visited me at the hospital.
Yes, my lord.
Where is it, please? Not an hospital. Was it an hospital?
No. Denied myself. With that, I proceeded to local treatment, my lord.
See, please, please. Hi, please, you're going to give evidence now. Don't do it.
Say to the court. Repeat that statement.
My lord, when they transferred me to local treatment, my lord. That was where staff visited me. And when the staff visited me,
again, I my lord, that was where the staff gave the feedback the office with that from the organization and from four of them visited me again.
I didn't hear all those conversations because the line keeps breaking.
Yes,
so the last thing I recorded is that while I was in the local hospital that the staff visited me. Yes.
Yes, and after that.
Hold on, please. Sorry, hold on. Please, hold on. Hold on.
When
Mr. Friday
getting to the office,
he gave a report, and four of them came with vehicle to check on my situation. Which I can name.
One, which is the zonal manager.
Mrs. Esther Ipedua, aka the driver, Mr. Rabi, but I could not remember the many people, but at least I can still remember them. What's the driver's name? Mr. Rabbit.
Are you the one examining him?
He said driver.
He called his
So
name
he
now.
said the name.
See, please, let's conduct these proceedings properly.
Mr. Who? Mrs. Who? S.R.
Right. Hey, Lord. On the side. On my side. Where is that police extract? Technical